Hi, in this video we are going to discussing about vector algebra, applications of cross product. First one, sine formula. A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. Okay, so first we consider the triangle ABC. ABC triangle. So BC vector, CA vector, AB vector. So this is A vector, then B vector is C vector. Okay, now in triangle ABC, we know that BC vector equal to A vector, CA vector equal to B vector, then AB vector equal to C vector, AB vector equal to C vector. We know that the area of triangle ABC is half into modulus of A vector cross B vector, or half into modulus of B vector cross C vector, or half into modulus of C vector cross A vector. So this is the formula for area, to find the area of a triangle, which implies throughout divided by 1 by 2 or multiply by 2, we get modulus of A vector cross B vector equal to modulus of B vector cross C vector equal to modulus of C vector cross A vector. So we know that modulus of A vector cross B vector, that is modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector into angle between A vector and B vector. So angle between A vector and B vector. So we extend this angle. So this is C, this is pi minus C, that is sin pi minus C equal to modulus of B vector into modulus of C vector into sin of angle between B vector and C vector. So this is pi minus A. This pi minus A, that is equal to modulus of C vector into modulus of A vector into sin of, this is pi minus B, angle between C vector and A vector. Okay. So next, sin of 180 minus theta, that is sin theta. So modulus of A vector is A, modulus of B vector is B into sin C equal to modulus of B is B, modulus of C is C into sin A equal to again CA into sin B, CA into sin B. Okay. So after then, throughout divided by ABC, we get sin C divided by C equal to sin A divided by A equal to sin B divided by B. Taking reciprocals and rearrange the equations. Taking reciprocals and rearrange the equation, we get A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. Okay, hence proved. Okay, this is the sine formula. Okay, the next question, prove by vector method that the area of the quadrilateral ABCD having diagonals AC and BD is 1 by 2 into modulus of AC vector cross BD vector, AC vector cross BD vector. Okay, so first we consider the quadrilateral ABCD. So take the direction AB, AC, AD. Okay, first we find the vector area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So after then area of the quadrilateral. So first let ABCD be a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral. AC and BD be the diagonals. So vector area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to vector area of triangle ABC plus vector area of a triangle ACD. Vector area of triangle ABC plus vector area of triangle ACD. Okay, so what is the vector area of triangle ABC? That is half into AB vector cross AC vector plus ACD half into AC vector cross AD vector. Okay, so now half into AC vector is common, that is cross. So here vector product is not commutative, that is A vector cross B vector is not equal to B vector cross A vector, but A vector cross B vector equal to minus of B vector cross A vector, minus of B vector cross A vector. So here AC vector minus AB vector plus here AD vector, that is equal to half into AC vector cross BA vector plus AD vector, that is equal to half into AC vector cross BD vector. So this is the vector area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Therefore, area of the quadrilateral ABCD equal to half into modulus of AC vector cross BD vector. First we find vector area of the quadrilateral ABCD, finally area of the quadrilateral. So vector area means the area in vector. So vector area of the quadrilateral means it becomes a scalar. Okay, thank you.